Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside the Snapchat app. Open your profile and go straight to your public profile card. Once there, tap the Spotlight tab so you can see the content currently published to Spotlight. This step gets you to the items you need to remove. It matters because Spotlight content is managed separately from stories. Make sure you're on the correct public profile if you have multiple. A quick glance at the profile name prevents deleting content from the wrong account. Now you'll remove the individual Spotlight posts. Tap a snap, open the Options menu, and choose Delete or Remove from Spotlight. This removes it from Spotlight but may keep it in your private memories unless you also delete there. Do this for every Spotlight item you want gone. Once done, Spotlight will no longer display those clips. If you have many posts, use batch selection when available to speed things up, and make sure you confirm each action so nothing is left behind. Finish by refreshing the profile view and verifying the Spotlight tab is empty. This confirms the deletions took effect. If items still appear, clear the app cache or log out and back in to refresh server state. Also allow up to 24 hours for caching to clear globally. If content still shows or you can't find delete options, contact Snapchat support and provide the Snap ID. They can help remove content or resolve permission issues. This troubleshooting step solves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.